Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to be going into this James Charles palette in this light brown shade, and I'm going to be applying that to my crease and above my crease, and I'm just going to blend that out. If you guys want to know how I do my eyebrows, I did record a tutorial on how I do my brows. It's already up on my channel. I'll also link that video in the description down below. So now I'm going to go into a darker brown shade, and I'm going to apply that in the same spot, focusing more on the outer corner and then blending it out towards my inner corner. Now I'm going to go in with this ivory color, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid and then blend that out with the brown shade. Next, I'm going to be going into this shimmer, and I'm going to be applying that all over the eyelid where I applied that ivory color. I'm going to use this glitter liner by NYX, and I'm going to be applying that all over that shimmer just for it to pop out a little more. Then I'm going to apply mascara to both of my lashes and then apply the falsies after. I'm going to prime my face using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. I like using these both together. I just feel like I get the best results. Now I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm going to apply that under my eyes, forehead, nose, above my lip, and chin. And this concealer is in the shade Golden Beige. And using a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend all of that out, pushing that into my skin. Now I'm taking this foundation. It's Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 340, and I'm going to use that to contour my nose, forehead, and the rest of my face. So now I'm going to be applying foundation in the areas where I didn't contour and conceal already. I'm in the shade 235 in the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I like to apply my makeup this way, concealer first, then contour, then foundation, just because, just so I won't have so much product on my face, if you know what I mean. Instead of having like a full face of foundation first, then putting concealer on top, then contour. I just like to have the least amount of product on my face as possible. And then just doing the foundation last just helps me fix any areas where I messed up. So now I'm going to set under my eyes using Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just going to use a regular fluffy brush to press that into my skin. I don't like to bake because I'm very dry under my eyes. So yeah, I'm just pushing it in. And now I'm going in with in this iconic London palette, and I'm just going to go in the darkest shade and just go over the areas where I contour just to kind of set it. And the same thing on my nose just to set that contour in. Now I'm just applying blush, and then I'm going to apply mascara and eyeliner on my lower lash line. So now I'm going to highlight right under my arch of my eyebrows using this highlighter. It's called After Hours. It's in the Wander Beauty palette. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that under my brows, the bridge of my nose, and above my lip. Now y'all already know that I like to line my lips using my eyebrow pencil. So yeah, I'm using that, and then I'm going in this Morphe lipstick. It's in the color Flirt, and I'm just applying that with a brush so I can blend out that liner into it and give it a little bit more of an ombre effect. Now I'm using this e.l.f. lip gloss. It's in the color Pink Cosmo. And this is my favorite lip gloss. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that all over the lips. Just to moisturize it all, because this Morphe lipstick is very dry. Okay. Their formula is horrible. But yeah, guys, this is the finished look. Hope you guys like my version of a soft glam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.